Subtraction fluency, numbers 0 to 5. Be sure to call out the difference before I do. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. You did it! Remember, practice makes progress. Keep up the good work.